Namaskar. Friends, in this episode I am going to talk about lucky number 2, people born on 2nd, 11th, 20th or 29th of any month are governed by number 2 and this is their lucky or ruling number. Born on 2nd of the month, ruling planet for this number is Moon, high imagination, idealism and a dreamy nature is key for them. You are the executor of the plans and projects instituted or organized by others. This does not mean that you lack originality, but that your originality lies in the direction of making ways and means to carry out a blueprint or design made by someone else. You are considerate, selfless and always thoughtful of the feelings and wishes of others. You are a good partner and a collaborator. You have a natural power of discrimination and perception which will express itself through business and associated channels. You will be able to carry out the details of affairs without losing sight of the ultimate goal towards which you are working. You love neat and tidy. You prefer disciplined than lackadaisical approach. Many times you lack a practical approach. You revel in your own dreams sometimes. You love nature and beautiful things in life such as the sea, flowers, scenery and open sky. You take pleasure in spending hours in the company of the high tides of the sea or in reverting your eyes to the galaxy of the stars in the sky. You are very unsteady, fickle-minded and a lover of change. You therefore have a fancy for travel, especially long travels, which satisfy your urge for the life of the imagination. It is better to avoid letting others take advantage of your good nature. Born on 11th of month, you have all the basic characteristics explained for number 2. This date is considered as a master power number. You have high intuition and you are inspired by high ideals. Electric power almost vibrates from your personal magnetism, and you are generally the master of every situation. Executive ability is prominent in your makeup, and your mind is creative, original and alert. You seek to shield those you love, and you like the role of the provider. You are modest and do not like to show off your abilities and talents. The subtler things in life appeal to you. You like detective stories as well as mystic philosophy. You have a great magnetism for people but you are not too quick to part with your affections. You can influence people by your mental and verbal suggestions and in so doing will get them to react and do things that are in accord with your own desires. You have much latent psychic ability which you can express as a result of proper development, for the planet Moon gives you a capacity for clairvoyance, sometimes for trance, mediumship and also for psychometry. You should learn to relax with the lighter pleasures of the mind and spirit. Too much concentration inclines you to depression, which you must try to avoid. You are usually successful in life and in love and get honor, position and authority. You are loyal to your friends and are of royal disposition. You should guard yourself from secret enemies. Born on 20th of month, you have all the basic characteristics explained for number 2 above. You have many friends. You have a flair for writing and can make a name as an author or a novelist. Your prosperity lies near water, a river or the sea. This birth date shows new plans and new resolutions for the betterment of people at large. If this date comes in connection with the future events, it shows delays. You are warm-hearted, affectionate and answer every call for help. Born on 29th of the month, you have all the basic qualities that are explained for the number 2. You have the ability to attract people towards you. You are cooperative but in an intellectual way. You have instinct to understand people and your wide perception makes you a citizen of the world. You take a deep interest in your home life and always see to it that your family is provided for with all necessities. However, you are very moody and changing and therefore uncertain about your action. You are courageous and bold but take risks in life and do not stick to anything till the end. You are intelligent and also a deep thinker, but there is a tendency in you to carry everything to extremes. Finance, you do not like to do any hard work and therefore your constitution as such is lethargic. You also do not have the physical capacity to stand the strain of everyday life. The outcome, therefore, is your mediocre financial status. You can improve your financial conditions provided you create art out of your imagination. Vocation, there are innumerable vocations these days, and it is not possible to pinpoint any one as such. The vocations given below indicate the utility of your inherent abilities which can lead you to a successful life. The high imaginative power that you possess will make you successful as a good composer of music or a writer of fiction or romance stories. You can equally be a good artist and create works of everlasting value. You have a great vocabulary and linguistic capacities among all other number which can make you a good teacher or a professor of various languages. Health, you have to take care of your digestive system and your bowels. Any sluggishness of the digestive organs should be promptly remedied before it causes other ailments of a more serious character. Marriage and friends, you have a natural attraction towards person born in the period between 21st October and 20th November and between 19th February and 20th March. It is, therefore, advisable that you select your marriage partner from this period. You also have an affinity for those who are governed by numbers 2, 4 and 6. The best type of partner is someone who is intellectual but who can also give thought to what may be termed creature comforts and who will be practical so far as financial and kindred matters are concerned. You will use quite a deal of discrimination in matters to do with the affectional and marital side of life. Your lucky days are Mondays, Tuesdays and Fridays. Lucky colors, you should always use all shades of white, cream or blue as these are your lucky colors. Lucky jewels and stones, your lucky jewels are pearls and diamonds and lucky stones are moonstone and agate. Your important years in life are 2, 11, 20, 29, 38, 47, 56, 65, 74 etc. where the final single digit comes to 2. Mostly good and auspicious events take place during these years. You will either get your graduation or your job or your promotion or a house or your marriage or any other event which we can say is auspicious. Good qualities: sympathy, fellowship, honest, imaginative, simple, ideal. Drawbacks: cold, envy, haste, intervention, shyness, whimsical. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have not watched first and second episode, please watch them to get benefited through numerology. Wait for next episode which will be about lucky number 3.